And the Paralympics is started. Hello, everyone. Welcome. Today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, August the 29th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you the extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. First one is the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles, 4 of them I will solve in the evening, not now. Now I will solve these 3 regular puzzles. News of today, well, I've told you the Paralympics. It started, yes. Alright. First one will be the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku number 319. No. 9173. 9173. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26 printed digits. Well, 26. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 1 digit more. So should be a 2 stars puzzle. 2 stars puzzle. We need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. We will see if this is a 3 stars or a 2 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in the middle row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. 4. 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Need to wait. 1, 1. And the 2. Well, we have a pair. The 1 and the 2 in this row. The 1 and the 2 in the third row. So in row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. Alright. Well, 5 in this row, first row, 5 in the second row, so third row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column 3. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 in the row below, so no 8 there, so the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 8. Let me think. Come on. Well. We have a pair again. Well, not true. Let me start with the 9 first. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 in this box. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Shoot it in. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left now in the second row for numbers. The 1 and 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 and 3, 7 and 3. We have a 3 in the middle column, no 3 there. 3 should be here. The 7 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so it'll come next. The only place level 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 3 in this row, middle row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left now in this big square for the 3 should be there. 3, 3, okay. Need a 3 here. Well, in this column, 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 in this box. We have 3 in the middle row, no 3 in that box. So 1 box left for the 3 in the third column. I should be there. And 7. Alright. How about the 2 in the last column? 2 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left. The 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row. 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row. The only place left. The 2 should be there. 2, 2. Okay. And then 18. Need a 9 here. Need a 7. How about 7? 1, 6, 5. 1, 6, 5. Okay. Well. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have 6 in this row, no 6 in this box. We have 6 in the last column, no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, no 1 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the last column for the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, no 1 goes there. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 now in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the fifth column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 1. Okay. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 7 and 5, 7 and 5. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. One box left now in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. One box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing. Two numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8, 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Okay, cannot fill this yet. Let me see. Two numbers left now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, the 8, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 9 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the middle column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 5. Okay.
No.
Alright. Then. Let me see. Well. Two there. Well, in this row, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this row is number 2. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 in this row should be there. Right. Now, 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. These are for number 2. Wait. One box left now in the third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So that row, the only place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. Here, one box left in this row for number, I believe the 6, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, we have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. The 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and the 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 and the 6, we have 4 now in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number, I believe 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 7 and 9, we have a 9 now in the second column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 and a 3, we have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 13 minutes. Wow. We solved it again. And it's faster than I expected, because I thought maybe we need 15 to 20 minutes. Well, should be at 0 stars. 0 stars. Need to be faster than 14, 30 minutes. Alright, please with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles, regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.